letter is this?
H.
Try again. Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What does ghost? What letter? G. G. Very good. This spells ghost. G-H-O-S-T. Ghost. G is for ghost. Now this is the uppercase G. I need you to trace the uppercase G. Okay, now lowercase g. You're gonna go around, up, and down. Very good. G. Ghost starts with the letter
G.
Ghosts are what color? White.
White don't show up really good.
Yeah. White doesn't show up very good.
Yeah, like you orange.
Yeah. Go.
This
Did you get it going? Now we're gonna do a craft. Okay? What number is that?
5.
You're gonna make 5 ghosts. So I'm gonna put, you're gonna count with me when I put dots on here, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ready? Blow. Harder. Ooh, ghost. Do another one. How many ghosts do you have on your paper?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're gonna make a ghost out of cotton balls. But we're gonna,
Are you gonna say the blue too?
yes. But when we get our cotton balls, we're gonna count them and put them in groups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah, 15. So 3 groups of 5 equals how many altogether?
50.
What ingredients do we need to make pizza?
Pepperoni, 2 cheese, and sauce, and
Dough.
dough. And that roll out the dough.
Yep.
Roll out the dough. This is cold. Today I'm making pizza.
First we do the dough,
Yeah.
and then we do what?
Sauce, and then we put more salt on there to make pizza, and then little pepperoni, and then cheese, and then that's it. And then you put it in the oven. Yummy, yummy. Let's put cheese on there now. This is
These turned out so cute, Lila. Look so good. Now it's time to eat them.
Let me know how you made the pizza.
Good.
You made yummy pizza?
Yeah.
Nap time, and to stick with our ghost theme today, we're watching Casper.
Now we have the bedtime story. I got my Halloween jammies on.
And they have ghosts on them,
Pumpkins.
and witches' hats and cats, but we're doing ghost day, so we're focusing on the ghosts, right?
Yes.
5 minutes spooky stories.
Keep it spooky. Bye. What is it? Happy holidays. What I say, I don't remember. Today, what?
Two.
Today we, I don't know.
Okay, ready?
Knife model. Happy Halloween. Make sure you subscribe our channel for Halloween night. Keep it spooky. Bye.